Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you new Nokia T20 tablet review. I will talk about its amazing features and performance. If you want to know about new Nokia T20 tablet, this video will help you a lot. After watching this video, you will be familiar about its performance and features. So keep watching this video. We have not seen new Nokia tablet in quite some time, but that time has come to an end. The Nokia T20 has a large screen, good battery life, and an affordable price. This is a device that is best for productivity and entertainment rather than heavy duty tasks at this price. At the moment, the T20 is only available in blue color. When you buy the Nokia T20, you cannot get case, but Nokia does sells a variety of accessories including a protective case that will keep the tablet safe when used by children or you. The tablet is IP52 approved, which means its resistance to dust and mild water spills, though I would not take it out in a rain. The camera sits on the sides of the tablet rather than on the top, which is an unusual design choice. Nokia says that any third-party ones can be used, but it's first stating that there is not anything designed specifically for the T20. It delivers 400 nits of brightness on average and is SGS low blue light certified for eye comfort. The color on the display are brilliant and the screen is bright overall. Considering that this is a low-cost tablet, the display is impressive. A power amplifier is included in the stereo speakers with OC audio, making them fairly loud and punchy. Tiger T610 CPU from Unisoc. The Nokia T20 has 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, which can be upgraded with a micro SD card to 512 GB. Other markets have different specifications such as 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. This is paired with only an octa-core Unisoc Tiger T610 CPU. If you want to play anything more demanding, you will have to pay a higher amount. Few people purchase a tablet for the sake of photography, which is purchase a good thing for a Nokia in this situation. The T20 is not for you if you want a good snapper on your tablet. It is not amazing, but it will suffice for video calls, which is likely to be the majority of users' needs. It is not amazing, but it will suffice for video calls, which is likely to be the majority of users' needs. You can utilize OCO audio to disable noise reduction on movie to reduce background noise, but this is not function that can be used during video conversion. The Nokia T20 features an 82 mAh battery. It can last up to 15 hours of web browsing, 10 hours of movie playback, and 7 hours of continuous work according to the company. On the front, you get a 5 megapixel selfie camera, and back you get a rear 8 megapixel autofocus camera. The Nokia T20 tablet cost is $249.99. So that was the review of Nokia new tablet T20. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for latest updates. So keep watching Genius Tech Info.